Hey, Bert, come here.
What?
I got
What?
something to show you. Come
Where?
here. Now stand right here, Bert.
What's
no.
to
Stand
see?
right here and look out to the front. Look out to
What's
the front.
out there?
Okay. Now stand right still and don't move. Okay?
Don't move?
No. No. Look out there.
Okay.
Don't move. All right. Now then, watch this. Here is one of Bert's eyes. See?
What's happening?
You're getting an eye drawn on you.
Oh.
And here is the other of Bert's eyes. And the eyes are what you use to see with. Right, Bert?
I guess.
Don't say anything, Bert. Now then, here is Bert's eyebrows going across the top. And the eyebrows, you see them up there?
I can't even move. I can't
Don't
see
move,
him.
Bert. Now then, here is Bert's nose.
Ernie, what's
Here.
going on?
No. Don't move. Don't move.
I feel a fool.
And the nose is what you use to smell with, right? See, nose. Now then, here is one of Bert's ears. On this side over here.
It tickles.
Don't move. And here's the other of Bert's ears over here. And up on top there is Bert's hair.
Please hurry.
Look at that. See the hair? All right. Now then, the side of Bert's head goes down here. See, this is the side of Bert's head.
Ernie, come on.
This is don't move, Bert. You can't move. This is Bert's head going down here.
This is no fun, Ernie. Come on now.
No. It goes around there, and it goes up here. This is Bert's head. Going up there at the top. That's the shape of Bert's head. We all know the shape of Bert's head, don't we?
Come on, Ernie. Come on now. I can't do anymore.
Now here is
Come
Bert's
on.
mouth. Here is Bert's mouth. Don't move your mouth, Bert.
I can't move anymore.
Okay, there's Bert's mouth there. And just to finish it off, here's Bert's shirt. Let's do Bert's shirt.
Hey, why not?
And here's Bert's shirt. Okay,
Oh.
you ready, Bert? Okay.
Now.
Now you can move, Bert. And now we have a picture of Bert. Look at that. Isn't that neat, Bert?
How'd you do that?